Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you download WhatsApp video status. So at first, just go to that WhatsApp video status. At first, all you need to do is just see the WhatsApp status fully. And after that, just go back. Now just go to your file manager. Now click the top left, the three dash icon, and click on settings. Now here you will see show hidden files. Just turn it on. And after turning it on, just go back and search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp, just scroll here. Here you can see the last option, com.whatsapp. Click on it. Click on WhatsApp. Now click on the last option, media. And here you can see the second option, statuses. Click on it. Now click on the second option, the video is here. Just long press on the video and click on more. And you can just make a copy of it. So guys, that's how you can download WhatsApp video status. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.